Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of the Brain Boosting Worksheet series, and today's topic that we focus on is spatial skills. In this video for spatial skills, we talk about pattern recognition, pattern matching and copying the pattern. Spatial reasoning involves understanding and remembering the relative locations of objects in mind. You will see that most of the worksheets today we focus on copying the pattern or matching the pattern because spatial reasoning skills can be developed and improved only through practice. You need a lot of practice for this. Here the first few worksheets are copy the pattern. This is very easy to create. All we need is to draw squares and use dots. So here I am using 6 by 6 dots, but if you're making your own sheets, I would recommend using 5 by 5 dots. It makes making those patterns a bit easy. I have tried using some simple patterns and some complicated patterns for these worksheets. All my son had to do is copy the same pattern on the right hand side square box. These worksheets are so simple to create but most effective ones for the kids. It really helps them in their hand-eye coordination, attention to pattern, improves their concentration and enhances their focus. The next worksheet is copy the pattern as well, but here instead of the geometric lines, I have used the wavy curvy lines. I have observed that my son struggles with these wavy curvy lines more than the geometric patterns. The next few worksheets are about replicating the exact same pattern. For example, on the first worksheet, the first box is about shapes, then it's about arrows and the dots. He has to replicate the exact pattern on the right hand side. We have used this exact same worksheet in two ways. He has to replicate the same pattern or he can use the mirror image. Here he is using the mirror image of the pattern. So why spatial awareness? Spatial awareness ability is beneficial for several reasons. For example, first one would be social situations where the kids learn how to understand and maintain their personal space. Next one would be location, knowing where the objects are placed in their given space. Third would be movement, how people or objects move through their given environment. And the last one would be reading and writing. Understand sentence structure and grammar is also a part of spatial awareness. It also helps in math as well, regarding number order, arrangement and geometry as well. We are using all these worksheets to learn about symmetry as well. So symmetry is a natural phenomenon present in our everyday lives and an important principle in many fields of studies. These worksheets help him balance both the sides of the sheet, that is called symmetry. This worksheet requires a little more concentration because here on the grid there are some boxes empty and some have a pattern on it. He had to look very carefully to do this worksheet. We have always believed that activities should be challenging enough that our kids learn something, but not so difficult that our kids become frustrated. As we see our kids gaining some confidence, gradually we can introduce more challenging activities. There are so many ways to make a simple activity and meet and challenge each child at their own individual level. I have mentioned this earlier as well. A variety makes learning more enjoyable and examples are remembered faster. And also, there is something about hand preparing these activities that seem to engage my kids. It's like their eyes light up to see what I am going to transform that sheet of paper into. The next worksheet, the difficulty level increases as well because here the grid size is bigger. There are a lot of colors. I have used dot stickers to make this worksheet and he has to replicate exactly the same on the right hand grid. Patterns help kids make predictions because they begin to understand what comes next. They also help kids learn how to make logical connections and use reasoning skills. There are also a lot of cognitive benefits of such activities. One of those is that it allows kids to develop their reasoning and decision making skills, both of which are valuable throughout their lives. The next worksheet, the difficulty level increases because here I'm using an entire grid paper. I drew a pattern on one side of the paper and on the other half he has to replicate the exact same pattern. Spatial reasoning is an important skill in everyday life. It is important in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics related careers. And it is never too early for kids to develop and enhance their spatial skills. As mentioned earlier, this can be developed and improved through a lot of practice. So if you like this video and find this useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.